Retinol is one of the most recommended skincare ingredients in the world. But what if I told you millions of people are using it the wrong way and damaging their skin barrier without realizing it? Here's the truth about retinol that nobody explains properly. Welcome to the Ingredient Decoder, where we break down the science behind everyday products. Today, we're decoding retinol, what it does, why dermatologists love it, and the biggest mistakes that could secretly ruin your skin. Retinol is a form of vitamin A. It speeds up skin cell turnover, boosts collagen production, and helps reduce acne, fine lines, dark spots, uneven texture. That's why it's considered one of the most powerful skincare ingredients ever studied. But powerful ingredients can also cause powerful side effects. The number one mistake people make? Using too much, too fast. Many beginners apply retinol every night because they think faster results mean better skin. But instead, this can damage your skin barrier. And when your skin barrier becomes weak, you may notice redness, burning, dry patches, peeling, increased sensitivity. Sometimes people think the irritation means the product is working. Not always. Sometimes your skin is literally overwhelmed. Here's the safer way to start retinol. Step 1. Use it only 2 times per week at first. Step 2. Apply a pea-sized amount only. Step 3. Always apply moisturizer afterward. Step 4. Wear sunscreen every single morning. This part is critical. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Without sunscreen, you can actually increase irritation and pigmentation. Another huge mistake: mixing retinol with strong exfoliating acids on the same night. Avoid combining it with high-strength AH as, BH as, benzoyl peroxide, unless your dermatologist specifically recommends it. Too many active ingredients together can seriously irritate your skin. Retinol may not be suitable for everyone. People with extremely sensitive skin, certain skin conditions, or pregnant women should speak with a healthcare professional before using retinoids. Retinol can be incredible for your skin when used correctly. But skincare is not about using the strongest products possible. It's about understanding ingredients and using them wisely. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to the Ingredient Decoder for more science-backed skincare and wellness content every week. And comment below, what ingredient should we decode next?